Is it worth it pa ba na mag-US kung salary ang basehan kasi I earn almost 150,000 pesos plus savings a month po dito sa Europe area as a nurse? Kasi dilin ko talaga pumunta ng United States. Salamat po sa sagot. Okay, so this is a really good question. Very common po sa ating mga ibang OFW sa ibang bansa na gusto mag-move sa US pero nag-hesitate kasi medyo maganda na earnings nila and settled na. Yung sagot po talaga dito really depends po on yung personal reasons nila and yung possible professional goals na po sa future. Okay, you have to consider your long-term goals. So I really can't answer that for you, pero bibigyan kita ng konting insights about paano dito sa US when it comes to salary and other things po. Okay, yung mga benefits ng mga nurses dito. Based on my personal experience lang to Okay, so let's start. Pagdating sa sweldo naman, yung sweldo na sinasabi mong 150,000 pesos, if i-convert mo yan to US dollars, it's about nasa, I think, to 5 to 7 or almost $3,000 to take home per month. That is nice. That is really nice po. Okay na yan. Honestly, it's the same as for me dito sa US. And I'm living in one of the low-cost living state dito sa US, okay? Iba-ibang states, iba-iba yung mga salary and mga expenses dito eh. So, it's really hard to gauge po based with that number. Kasi if sabihin mo lang, kung gusto makaipon talaga malaking pera, punta ka sa California. Sa California, yung ipon na yan, usually per week sweldo sa California, kung maganda yung background experience, pwede sila mag-earn like $3,000 to almost $4,000 per week. Okay? Per week lang po yan. So, i-times 4 mo yun, magano na yun? I think 14,000, 15,000, mga ganon. Tapos, bawasan mo cost of living, I'm sure you can earn more kung convert mo to pesos yan. Though, mahal po yung cost of living sa California. So, if overall po, 150,000 pesos po is really doable dito rin sa United States. Okay? That's one thing. So, salary-wise, I am confident that you will be able to meet that here. Siguro not initially, especially if wala ka masyadong experience, but you said you're already working as professional nurse sa Europe, so I think you'll be getting a better offer po. Just make sure to come here like direct hire. Okay? So, mga ganun. Siguro sa una, medyo okay lang, hindi masyadong mataas, pero sa future, once you end your initial contract, siguradong magbibigay sila ng malalaking offer. Okay? Ngayon ang mga kasama ko dito na stepping stone is Kentucky. After nila dito, doble or triple yung mga sweldo nila. They move to Texas, they move to California, and they're earning more po versus dito. So, ganun lang. It really depends po sa goals nyo talaga. Okay? So, choosing a state din po, it really depends kung ano yung goals nyo sa life. Then aside naman po sa salary, okay? I'll add on some things po na pwede mag-persuade sa inyo na why United States. Though